Question number 3. A set of repeated experiments is made out of a fixed quantity. Why do you repeat an experiment? Start the timer. Okay. You repeat the experiment to reduce the random error. Okay. This is well known to us from the data analysis part. If you are not sure about it, you can visit to my website where I have made a complete tutorial, okay, including problems on the estimates, random errors, then averages and all this. You can look into it. Okay. Random errors is reduced. An average of these measurement is calculated. That's the reason why we do average of all those. Now, what is the effect of the averaging of the random error and the systematic error? Okay, is asked you to comment on both of them. Now, random error is reduced. Let us look at the option here. Random error and systematic error both are reduced. Okay, this could be right. Random error and systematic unaffected. No. Random error is reduced. This could also be right. Random error is unaffected. This is incorrect. So, it should be only between A and C. Let us understand what is systematic error, what is random error. Let me assume you are supposed to get an answer of 0.5 for the 0.5 centimeter, for example, for the length of a line, okay. Now, but unfortunately, when you start doing the experiment, you make some mistake and you find out you are not getting 0.95, but you are getting 0.8 centimeter, okay. So, that means what is the error here? The error here is 0.3 centimeter. But is it a random error or a systematic error? You will not be able to say now. Okay, you need to do multiple trials to infer whether it's a systematic error or a random error. This is the true value of the object of the line, length of the line, and this is the experimental value of the line. Now, first trial you do 0.8, second trial you do 0.81, third trial you do 0.79, fourth trial you do 0.774, fifth trial you get something like 0.83. Now, what's happening over here? You are getting randomly all these values. There is no particular pattern. It is neither increasing nor decreasing. So, if you want to have a correct value, if you do 6th time also, you might get 0.80 also. Okay, we do not know what is the right answer. So, as a result of this, if you average all of them, what will you get? You will get some value which lies between 0.74 to 0.83. This is what you get. Okay, which is, you call it as an average value. Okay. Now, what is so this is nothing but your random error. This is your random error which cannot be avoided, which can be reduced only by doing the number of trials, doing a lot number of trials. Okay. Systematic error. Now, you see in each of these cases, systematic error is same. Here also it is 0.3 plus 0. So, here if you take it is 0.3 centimeter, here it is 0.31 centimeter, 0.21 centimeter, 0.29 centimeter, here it is 0.26 centimeter, 0.33 centimeter, and here it is 0.3 centimeter. Approximately the value is seen to be 0.3 centimeter. This is a constant error being seen. Okay. So, as a result of it, this error will never get reduced even when you try to average them. Thus, the systematic error never reduces while the random error always reduces. Okay. So, answer is CO here.